We all have that one acquaintance who seems to get a literal buzz from hauling bags to the local donation bin. While most people see chores, they see a celebration, finding a strange sense of euphoria in the act of letting go. It might look like an odd quirk. They aren't actually eccentric, they are tapping into a powerful neurological reward system. Science reveals that when these individuals discard a sweater that's been gathering dust since the previous decade, their brains are flooded with dopamine. It is the exact same chemical surge you feel when biting into a decadent dessert or losing yourself in a social media feed. This is the world we explore here at Quiet Pressure Sketchbook, where we look at the hidden mechanics of the human mind. These super clears aren't just tidying up, they have conditioned their internal chemistry to prioritize and thirst for symmetry and space. Once you grasp the biology behind it, the minimalist movement starts to look less like a lifestyle choice and more like a neurological craving. Why is it that some people feel a soul-deep satisfaction from emptying a drawer while others feel a physical pang of grief over a shredded movie stub from high school? The answer lies in cognitive load. Your gray matter possesses a finite capacity for interpreting the visual stimuli in your immediate surroundings. Every stray object in your peripheral vision acts as a silent demand for your attention, forcing your brain to multitask without you even realizing it. That stack of unopened mail, those mismatched sneakers, the ancient receipts are all micro-stressors competing for your mental energy. It is exhausting. However, those who embrace the purge have stumbled upon a secret by refining their physical environment. They are actually decompressing their internal hard drives. Research from Princeton confirms that environmental chaos directly hinders your focus and spikes your cortisol. The fans of Quiet Pressure Sketchbook often find that a sparse room leads to a quieted mind. Those who thrive on decluttering have an intuitive grasp of this. They feel an immediate psychic weight lift the second the surfaces around them go blank. Interestingly, this penchant for purging often points toward high levels of orderliness, which is a specific branch of the conscientiousness personality trait. This is the same foundation that supports grit, willpower, and the ability to plan for the future. Yet there is a complex shadow side to this behavior. For some, the act of throwing things away isn't about peace, it's about pursuing a fleeting sensation that never truly lasts. To understand where you fall, you have to distinguish between two very different psychological profiles. First, you have the liberators. These individuals walk away from a decluttering session feeling truly unburdened. They have mastered the art of decoupling their identity from their inventory, understanding that a memory exists within the soul, not within a souvenir. Curate their lives with intention, keeping the essentials and releasing the rest. It is a healthy, balanced, and, let's be honest, slightly enviable way to live. Then you have the chasers. These folks are caught in a restless cycle, purging for dopamine hits, only to refill the resulting void with new acquisitions, starting all over. For the chaser, the mission isn't about reaching a state of liberty. It's about grasping for a sense of authority. When the outside world feels volatile, micromanaging their shelves becomes survival. This case, the obsession with cleaning becomes its own mental debris. So, as you reflect on your own habits here at Quiet Pressure Sketchbook, ask yourself, is your minimalism a way to breathe or to hide? The next time you feel the impulse to strip your room bare, pause and check your intent. Are you building a sanctuary for your thoughts or just addicted to empty? Tell us which profile resonates with you in the comments and hit subscribe. We specialize in making sense of the complicated patterns of your personality. The algorithm suggests you'll find our next deep dive particularly revealing. Based on what we just discussed, it might be exactly what you need.